That monster hurricane, the strongest ever on record in the Atlantic Ocean.
Tonight, Hurricane Irma tearing through the Caribbean, claiming at least 3 lives. With ferocious 185-mile-an-hour winds. This image showing Barbuda right in the center of Irma's eye.
At this hour, Irma still tracking right toward Florida, but there are several other states now in the possible path.
This is one of many gas stations in South Florida where there are no cars here because there is no gas here. Every single pump, no gas, no gas, no gas. I know that people are emptying shelves at basically every grocery store and Home Depot.
To the roads packed solid on the interstate with people getting out of especially South Florida.
Hey guys, we are in Georgia now. We had to evacuate because there's a hurricane coming, as you may have heard. So pretty much all of Florida has evacuated to Georgia. And so we had major traffic. Like, I mean, how long should it have taken us?
About probably 6 or 7 hours.
It took us 2 days, and gas stations were just running dry. I saw a news report today, which is about 2 days after we've actually left. But they said that 40% of all the gas stations in Florida are out of gas now. But on the bright side, we love Georgia. Not our party. This is how people party up in Georgia, I guess. Like the whole place is parked. We're going on a walk. This tree right here looks like the entrance to another world.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm trying to think in my head now what story I can come up with about entering another world through a tree like that.
That's good.
Next book idea.
Woohoo!
Look at this strange fireplace in the middle of the woods.
I feel like Santa Claus.
It's like a hobbit place.
There's a chimney here for no reason. And there's beautiful trees all around.
It's Sunday morning and we have just a big yard to play in. We don't have to worry about the weather. It's awesome and great, but I'm really worried about everybody who's back in Florida. The hurricane is hitting today and it's crazy because we were almost stayed in Tampa. We have some really good friends that are there, and the hurricane wasn't even supposed to hit the West Coast. So we were considering staying there, but then we decided to drive up to Georgia. And now the hurricane is hitting Tampa. So kind of freaking out for everybody there. But just praying and thinking of them and hoping everything goes well and that they stay safe. So we're just kind of playing around.
Hey!
Whoa! It's kind of nice to wear sweaters. I love wearing layers.
And he loves to eat them.
And he loves to eat them. And then I'm still reading this one, which I love. It's so interesting. It talks about how your brain works and how you can apply this knowledge to help your writing. So fascinating. We're driving back to Florida and there's a tropical storm warning for all of Georgia, so I'm kind of nervous, but we had to get out of the house. We only rented it until this morning. So we're driving in this rain. So what did we just find out?
There's no gas at this gas station.
Yeah, we're gonna have an issue with finding gas again. And apparently the power's out in
In a lot of places.
In a lot of places, so we're also gonna have trouble with that.
Yeah.
All these power crews coming back. Thank you guys for watching. We are so excited to be back in Florida and begin working on our book again, ready for publication. We're okay, our home is okay, and Daniel was able to drive across the state to help those who really needed help in the West Coast. Many people lost their homes, their businesses. I'm just really grateful that Daniel was able to help them out. We appreciate all your prayers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again. Bye.